A penis? A key. A key. Looks like a penis. Nag-fire na sa loob. Fire. Yung parang ano ba? Dito sa pinakababa kung saan yung oil. Nagano ng kalayo oh.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning everything. Kamis na sa labas. Naglalaro lang. Gusto talaga ni Roxy oh. For some reason, gusto niya yung kainin yung isno. Look. Look, parang ice cream kasi. Lak. And Inday Garutay is working. Good morning everything family. Good morning po guys. Pagising ko, kumain ako agad kasi sumakit yung ulo ko. Nagtubig ako. Nagkapi. Yan. Tapusin ko lang to. Mayroon pang kaunti. Hindi itapon. Hi baby. What are you doing? Smoking. Look, ang dami pang snow dito guys. Porch hindi namin nilinis. Hopefully the sun will melt the snow. We melt some of them. Look, buka pa lang snow. Sakit ng mata ko. You know, I'm looking at you at the window. Yeah. Over there. I said, what my husband doing? He's carrying his phone. And then I was over there looking at you. And then you're chatting. You're chatting with somebody.
I'm chatting.
You're chatting. Guys, dahan-dahan lang yung salita ko dito kasi every time we talk here, maririnig ng kapitbahay guys, maglanog-lanog yun akong tingog. It's nice over here because the sun, right?
Yeah. And I get to sit.
Oh yeah.
You do it cushions for the other chair from the garage.
Yeah, I bought it because that's why I don't take the other chair because I want you to sit there, but it's full of snow, right? Hello, there's a lot of animals walking over there. Oh. Over there, Han. In our yard.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Because they have a lot of footsteps here. Look. Look at that, guys. Footsteps. A lot of them. Over here too.
Yeah,
Look.
really, there's a lot.
A lot of them. Over there.
It's like a whole collection of animals.
I think it's a thing, Han. I think it's a deer walking everywhere.
Okay.
Because it's a lot. It's like a parade of.
Yeah, they all come off the street.
Huh?
They all came in off the street.
Yeah. Look at
Do
over
that
there.
and they went to the street.
And look at that over here, right? There's a lot of them. It's not a
And
bird.
they went up into the woods.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I will feed them because I feel bad.
Bird footprints here. No, on top. You see on the snow on the top of the tree, on the top of the bushes.
Oh yeah.
Little footprints in the snow.
Keep doing it. Listen, stare at him. Oh my god.
You need to turn away from me. Are you kidding?
Blue at his ear.
What?
And he's gonna lick your lips soon. So cute. Hi everything. Ano na guys, late na tayong nag-vlog. 5 o'clock. Well, actually, it's 4:30 na. So, yun. Nagluluto lang ako ng gulay. Pasensya na hindi ako naka-vlog the whole time. Kasi, wala, pahinga lang ako. And ngayon, magluluto tayo ng lamb and then gulay. So, yun yung kakainin namin. And magluto tayo ng maaga para matapos siya ng maaga. Nagbubuhay lang ako ng tubig. Mamaya ako na ito after na anuhin ko muna yung gulay ko. Maglalaro sana kami ni Tami, pero hindi pa siya ready. Nagbuhay lang ako ng tubig. Hindi pa siya nag-ready. May binili kasi ako sa Walmart na laruan yung nang doon kami. Bumibili kami ng mga regalo sa mga bata. Ito siya. Gusto kong laruin namin. Draw in the air. Ito siya yung lalaruin natin. I-open nga natin ito, be. Open natin kung anong meron andito. So, let's open it. Hopefully, Tommy will shower that we can play. So ito lang pala yung sa loob. Ito siya. Ito yung gamitin mo pang drawing. And then, meron dito something. Hindi ko pa ito. Nakita ko lang ito, guys. Kung paano. Let's see kung anong andito. May card. Dalawang card. Ganito. Ganyan pala. How to play this? May dalawang card. Dalawang klase. This is hard. This is hard to do. This is hard to play. May dala pa siyang, may kasama siyang battery, guys. Han, are we gonna play? Yeah, but it's late already. Don't you son me? We have the whole day and you get mad. And it's already late. Wala talaga tong asawa ko, wala. Luto muna tayo. Meron pala ako dito. Pinabayaan ko. Ilagay ko ito siya. Ibuboil ito ng mga 5 minutes. Si broccoli. Broccoli. And then, pagkatapos ni broccoli, i-drain. Kailangan walang tubig. Yun. Konti lang naman yung ano. Kasi meron pa kaming gulay sa refrigerator. And gusto ko lang additional kasi gusto kong kumain ng maraming gulay. Gulay pa more. I won't get tired of cooking this one, guys. Look. Ito siya. Iba-brown mo lang siya. Kailangan siyang hindi sagi. Kailangan siyang crunchy. Half-cooked. Yun. At saka nilagay ko dito yung leftover para mainit siya. So, yeah, on. Yun siya. Hindi ako mapapagod kakainin ito. Ang sarap kasi broccoli at carrots together. And then yun. Paboritong paborito. This is the lamb, guys. Paboritong-paborito na lamb. Rekab lamb. Yeah, masarap i-torts. Hello, init pala,
I think we can handle
Press this.
Right.
Well, we're not going anywhere, Bill.
Oh, I cannot see nothing?
No, that's what I'm saying. So how do you know what you're drawing? I guess you gotta be good.
You have to be good. Did I do something?
Because if you had,
How can you delete it?
Danny's room to make it look like Kyle had been taken
Okay.
You can't really do anything.
Kyle's disappearance was made to look like the two other boys. Whoever did that.
Pick a card.
Okay, pick a card. Where's the card?
Yeah. What really happened? I know Dan has been a friend of yours for a long time, but you have an obligation to protect him. Sure. You gonna tell me what my obligations are? I'm an accountant.
Look at that thing. I'm eating it.
I can see you're eating something. I can't tell what you're eating.
There's no drawing?
There's a drawing.
Nothing?
What is it, a bowl of porridge? I don't know what the hell it is. That's not what it's supposed to be.
Pizza.
That's supposed to be pizza?
It's hard. I cannot see it.
Your mama is an algae drawer. Alright, I'll try one, yeah.
Wait, it should be seeing your face. Over here, that they can see you. Okay, now it's okay. You draw now.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick something here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Timer. 43 already minutes.
Oh, you ready to do the timer?
Yeah.
When I woke up, he was gone. I don't know. My little boy is dead.
A penis? A key. A key looks like a penis.
It doesn't look like a penis. It looks like a key.
A key.
At least mine was guessable.
Okay, I'll do mine.
Oh wait,
No, that's
timer's
fine.
running out. I gotta redo it.
Was there an accident?
Let's start now. Now start. Water. Waves.
Yeah. Okay, this one. This one.
Okay. Running?
It's-
Jogging?
Yeah, it's
Climbing?
running, and then there is another one next to that running.
Running a race?
Yeah.
Well, how do you get a race from that?
I don't have a race. I don't know how to do the race.
It looks like you did a tripod.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, and it keeps time out until you run out of time.
Okay, stay. How can I do that thing? What did I draw here? What, this is an ugly drawing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Timer. What is the timer here? Okay, it's already. Oh, how can I go back? Okay, resume. No, no, no.
That's the new game. That's the new person. The new.
Enter. Okay, now it's yours.
Tell me when the counter is done.
Hold on. Okay. Hold on.
Okay.
Go.
Is the Jones family.
We have a good deal on our part this month.
Are you sure? Spectrum Mobile can do better. How much
Fish.
do you have?
Good. Press. You gotta press the number where you get a 1. So let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Ready?
how much are you paying per month? Don't forget those added taxes and fees and surcharges.
$220.
Spectrum Mobile lets you customize your plan.
Gift.
You and Grandma can use
Right.
a 5-day plan with shared.
Press the number 1.
Okay.
Otherwise you run out of time. Okay.
Also,
Tough.
$118
Let's see.
per month with no taxes and fees. Spectrum Mobile has the best data plans for your family. All plans include unlimited talk and text with no contracts.
A cat.
And prove you can
There you go.
You're very good
Press
drawing,
1. That was a
Annie.
kitten. But,
A kitten, okay. You're good in drawing.
oh, this
baby.
was a tough one. What is it?
to calculate your savings in
Oh.
3 easy steps. Or call us at 1-833-295-7283 and we'll do it for you.
Geico makes the claims process so easy, I can file and manage my claim all in the Geico app. It's not just easy, it's giving your dog your fitness tracker.
One.
Good boy.
A rain.
No. A ladybug.
A
Yeah.
ladybug.
That's why I'm trying to put a dot on it. But that was gonna be a tough one, a ladybug. I was gonna do a ladybug.
It's hard, guys. It's nice with the people, you know. Ay, ay, ay. Anyway, guys. So, mahirap siya, guys. I-try namin laruin. Sobrang hirap. Ay, ay, ay. Yung ulo ko din sobrang sakit. Wala kami ni Tami magawa. So, laro-laro lang kami. Baka later maglaro na naman kami. Yung ano ko.
What are you doing with the dog's food?
Hi, guys. Hindi ko maiwan-iwan ito oven. Kasi, guys, maliit yung nilalagyan ko ng ano, diba? Lamb. Ang liit ng container. So, yung fat ng lamb, nagdidrip na pala palabas sa tent or sa back or sa ano na ginamit ko. Nagdidrip doon sa ilalim. Sus, guys, pag-upin ko, guys. Kalayo na. Nag-fire na sa loob. Fire. Yung parang ano ba? Dito sa pinakababa kung saan yung oil. Nagganon ng kalayo, oh. At saka electric pa naman ito. Sabi pa ng kapatid ko, delikado. Kapatid ni Tami, delikado daw yun. And sus, natakot ako, guys. Kaya nilagay ko siya sa malaking ano para hindi siya magdidrip. Ngayon aso ng aso. Kasi ano, natakot talaga ako, guys. May kalayo talaga, guys. Nagkalayo na doon, nagka-fire pa. Anong tawag kalayo? Nag-apoy na ba di doon sa ilalim. Sabi ko, oh my God. Si Tami, parang wala lang. Sabi ko, masunog itong bahay natin. Bahala na si Batman. Hindi nakakatakot. At saka inopen-open ko kasi, oh. Nag-aso-aso siya ba? So, inopen-open ko lang siya para lalabas yung aso. So, yun guys. It's 6:08 na ng gabi. And, sabi pa ni Tami, sana nag-hotdog na lang tayo. Sana doon nag-hotdog na lang yung kinain namin. Kaloka itong si Tami. Hotdog talaga. Ito na si Lamb. Ikakat natin ito mamaya, guys. Ito-turn ko nga sa para makita ninyo. Yung ikakat natin siya mamaya. We have to leave it for a while para naman maging juicy talaga siya. Ang daming tubig sa ilalim, oh, para naman mag-juicy siya ba. So, yun, hindi yun sobrang dry kasi may tubig. So, bukas, aalis ako. Kasama ko si Lloydie. Kukunin ko si Lloydie. Tambay-tambay kami sa Filipino store. And maghanap tayo ng TG Maxx doon sa kabila. Gusto kong maghanap ng pajama. At saka baka may makita akong gift for Tami. Kahit sinabi ko na siya na lang yung bibili ng gift niya. Ibigay ko na lang lahat ng money ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, ibigay ko na sa inyo yung savings, sa'yo yung savings ko ha. Para ikaw na lang bibili kung ano yung gusto mo. So, ibigay ko na lang lahat. So, yun yung plano. Para siya na lang yung magbili. Kasi sapato sana guys, kaso ayaw niya. Hindi niya magustuhan. Yun, may kausap na naman siya. And then,
hurry up already with the camera.
ay nako guys, tignan nyo guys. We don't wanna hold it properly.
I am holding it.
No, the top one is gonna be...
No, pour it light, don't pour it fast.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, you could do it, but okay.
Honey, the oil is over there. It's dripping over there, oh. Ay, nako, Tami. You don't even know how to do it.
Oh, no. Oh, thank you, honey. do it slow and you do it that way. It's hot. Slower.
There's a lot of oil already over there.
Slower. Stop. I'm going to try to burn my fucking fingers off.
It's not hot.
Okay, you hold it and I'll pour it. How's that?
Oh my God, it's not hot.
Okay, yeah, well,
You're so drama. It's not hot. It's
Okay.
been out for a long time.
yeah, well.
Honey, you're not in the middle. Okay, that's it. The oil is already here, oh.
Well, whose fault is that?
Oh my God, how oily is that? It
Take
already.
paper towels and wash, try it. Open the door, because I can't.
Oh my God, that's why God give you foot.
Is that why God gave me a foot? You know the reason
To
for it.
close it, to open, whatever. Just leave it there.
Give me some paper towels so we can wash that shit off. Before I start running water.
Okay, right here and right there. Guys,
Whose phone is that?
your phone. There is a missed call. Leave a voicemail. So, we're cooking lamb, right? So that lamb, all the fat all came out in the water mixing. I don't want to throw it to the sink because it will go to our septic. Because we don't want to have problem in our septic because we don't know where's the septic opener. So, yeah, that's what happened. So we have to pour it and
Pour it on my
garbage.
arms and my hands. And
Right here, oh.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah. It's so, just like you can see, it's oily. It's not good to be in a septic. My husband is so hairy, look. It's nice to see him washing. it's still soapy here.
Yeah, well. So, keep moving up on my hands.
Okay, it's my turn next. Bad idea. You have a bad idea. Bad idea. You're so cute though. Okay, let me finish it. I clean it. I need to wash.
A little more oil out.
It's
Then you gotta
my
wipe it
turn
outside
to
that.
wash. That freaking lamb is fatty. Just put in there, thank you. That lamb is so fatty. Pero lumabas yung mga ibang maraming fat sa nag-mix. Kaya dito siya para itapon lang sa basura. We're watching Married with Children. Have and courage, please. Don't tell your brother. Another. Hugas-hugas pag may time. Yun. Uy, ako. Pagkainit. Mainit yung ginamit ko, guys, oh. Sobrang init, oh. Nag-aso-aso. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog today. Wala masyado tayong ganap. And I will probably add more to this. And thank you, guys, sa panonood. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Ang init, diba? Kita ninyo, guys? Ang tubig. Kasi, para mawala yung fat. Yung oiliness. Oiliness.